So here are the parcels that I received today from MyGlam, and I'm so excited to unbox it today in front of you guys. You must have seen MyGlam products previously on my makeup videos also. So let's get started. So the first thing that I received here is this lipstick from MyGlam. It is satin matte lipstick and it is in the shade Two Broke Girls. It is kind of like brownish, so I can use it as a nude lipstick and also I can use it for contouring. So I will just swatch it for you guys. Also, I'm not going to unbox all the products right over here. I'm going to show it to you in the makeup video which is continued further. So please keep watching it till the end. Okay, so the another thing that I've received here is the Street Love Care foundation from MyGlam, and this is how it looks. And I'm in the shade Renew. So let's try it on. First of all, I'll use it on my hand and show it to you guys. Oops, thoda zyada hi le liya, but this is how it blends with the skin. Totally smooth and totally matches my skin color. So I'm completely in love. Moving on, let's unbox other two things. So first of all, I'm going to open this powder eyeliner pencil. So this is how the powder eyeshadow pencil looks, and I will just put up a picture of its shade name over here and let me try it for you. I'm not that impressed with it, but okay, I'll give it a 6 on 10. Another thing that we are unboxing here is one of my favorites. It is MyGlam 2-in-1 brow powder and eyeliner. Let's try the brow powder first. Must tell you that it is highly pigmented. So another thing that I'm trying here is the eyeliner, and it also works magic. The rest of the things I'm going to show it to you in the makeup video which is continued, so please keep watching. Hey guys, so I thought कि मुझे quickly आप लोगों को products बताने चाहिए अपनी skin पे लगा के, so that you will get an idea how it actually looks on my skin, like how it actually looks after applying on the skin. So yeah, we are just quickly going to, I fumbled, sorry, my bad. So yeah, we are just quickly going to do a basic makeup, simple makeup. मेरे ख्याल से तो basic है, but आप अपने हिसाब से decide कर लेना. So yeah, we are just quickly going to move and trying our face with rose water. Okay, so let me tell you guys that today I'm going to do makeup with only and only MyGlam products. So this is going to be one brand makeup, one brand review. So make sure you guys watch it till the end. So after rose water, I'm going to use this Glow Eye Cream, Glow Iridescent. I don't know how to pronounce this. So Glow Brightening Eye Cream. We're just going to take a little amount and we're gonna use it as a primer. So under the eyes, it is actually eye cream, so you have to massage it like this. It is multi-purpose cream. You can use it as a primer for your eyes before your eye makeup, and also you can use it for skincare. I'm really sorry for that background noise, but I can't help it. Okay, next step, moving on to the face. Like we are going to prime the face with this Glow Brightening Cream. कौन है? It is जोर से बज रहा है. Okay, so yeah, we are just going to take this much amount like this. Just dab it on the face. You can see the smooth and glowy texture on your skin, which makes your makeup look more dewy kind of. So if you guys have watched my previous video, what you can do is you can mix this glow cream with the foundation and create a more glossy look. But as I have done that in that video, I'm not going to repeat it here. So after priming my face, moving on to the foundation. As you all have saw the foundation ka swatch, I'm just going to take it and apply it on my skin. I'm just taking that much. The foundation is so lightweight and also creamy at the same time. I can blend it only with my fingers, and like it still gives us the full coverage wala look. So see, I don't even need concealer over here. This acts as a foundation and concealer at the same time. I mean, what else can be magical? Okay, so once we are done with the foundation, I'm just quickly going to use my Glam ka lip balm and hydrate my lips with that. I personally love this lip balm because it has a slightest bit of tint and it is also pH balanced. It is again vegan. Like all the products from My Glam are vegan, so I personally love that. Love the products for that reason. And also it works magic. Moving on, we are just going to contour the face and add dimensions. But for contouring, you can use any darker shade foundation stick from My Glam. But over here, I'm going to use this satin matte lipstick, which is like kind of a dark brownish, and it is in the shade Two Broke Girls, as you all saw in the video. Now with the help of a beauty blender, we are going to blend all this and make it look good. Let's see. So we are done with the contouring. Now let's move on to the powder packing. So for the powder packing, I'm going to use this My Glam K-Play Vanilla Flavored Compact, and this is how it looks, and it smells awesome. You must have seen me using this in my previous videos as well. This has become my constant since then. So you all can see how quickly my face has like lightened up, and it feels so matte and so toned, so well toned. Moving on, for the blush, I'm going to use a lipstick. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to use a lipstick as my blush. I'm going to use this My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick in the shade My Oh My. This is how my blush has turned out, and I'm completely in love with this. So moving on, let's move on to the eyes. Starting with the brows, we are just going to use this Maybelline 2-in-1 brow powder and eyeliner. Where is it? So this is how we open it. Just right. It is highly pigmented, so be careful. See the difference? That's why I call it magic. So now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the same My Glam Satin Matte lipstick. It is not liquid lipstick, satin matte lipstick. Okay, so I'm going to use it as my transition shade. I have already applied it a little bit. Now just more, and we'll blend it with the fingers. Just giving it a wing-like effect. Okay, so I'm going to use this another liquid lipstick from My Glam, and it is in the shade VM11 Juice. So I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply it a little bit. It is actually like this, a slightest bit of purplish color, and I'm going to use it very little, like on the outer corners. That much was enough. I'm going to use this kind of flat brush to smudge it. So we are done with the eyeshadow right now. Let's move on to the eyeliner part. Again, I'm using this 2-in-1 eyeliner and brow pencil. Now for the lipstick, I'm going to use the Satin Matte lipstick as the base. If you guys want a nude look, you can go with this lipstick and a high or like a bold eye makeup and this lipstick, but currently I want red lips. So I'm going to use this My Oh My shade, and yeah. Almost done with the look. For the highlighter now, I'll tell you a hack. We are again going to use this glow cream. Just take a little bit on your palm, dab it, activate it, and then dab it on your high points. Simple as that. Now the advantage of this kind of highlighter is that it makes your face look naturally highlighted, naturally glowy. See that? I'm just applying a little bit because I don't want it to look too sweaty, because मैंने base में भी apply किया है, so थोड़ा सा dewy already look आ रहा है. So yeah, we are done with our makeup right now. So let's get ready. So this is how my one brand makeup turned out to be. That were all My Glam products, and I created this look with My Glam products. Let me know in the comments how much you like this video, and also how much you are in love with My Glam products, because I'm totally in love except some of the products. So yeah, that was my review regarding the products. If you all want a discount on My Glam, you can just click on the discount link in my description, and you will get like 150 rupees in your My Glam account, and you can use it as your discount. Also, if you all want a free lipstick, click the second link in my description, which is mentioned as free lipstick. You can just grab your free lipstick by filling in the survey, paying your shipping charges, which is like 99 rupees, and select your shade, and that's it. So don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with your friends, and also share everything with your friends. Refer and earn free makeup. That's it. That's it for today. We will meet very soon. Until then, see you.